If compare the clip feature with another YouTube feature called allow people to sample this content, there is a big difference. Clips are short 5 to 60 seconds videos that your fans can share on their social media to promote your original video. Clips don't create new video. They only point to your videos and streams. Anyone who is watching your clip can click and watch your original video. It's very important to know that all views, watch time, and ad revenue will be added to your original video. How to use clips? Go to your favorite YouTube channel. At the bottom of the video, you will see the clip button. Drag on the slider in order to adjust desired length of your clip. You can clip from 5 to 60 seconds of your original video. Title your clip. When you're done, click on the Share Clip button and share it on your social media, or your fans can share it on their social media. If for some reason you don't want to have this feature, go to your YouTube channel, to YouTube Studio, click on Settings, click on Channel, click on Advanced Settings, scroll all the way down and simply deselect this feature. When people click on that clip and watch that clip 5 to 60 seconds, the watch time from watching that short clip from your video will be counted and monetized to your channel. There are obvious benefits for you to select this valuable feature. Not each of your videos will have clip feature. Why? I don't know. You can ask YouTube. If you talk about politics, most likely you will not get this feature under your video. Allow people to sample this content. On the first page, Details, scroll down until you will see Show More. When you click on Show More, continue scrolling down until you will see Allow Embedding, Publish to Subscriptions field. Immediately after, you will see Shorts Sampling. Allow people to create shorts using parts of this video. Make sure to deselect Shorts Sampling, because if you select it, you will allow people to sample the content from your video. If it's okay with you, then you just can leave this feature selected. If you select this feature, this means that people will be able to sample content from your video and they will be able to incorporate it in their video and monetize it. In clip feature, people can share a small clip from 5 to 60 seconds from your video, and they can share on their social media. They cannot incorporate a clip from your video to their video. But many of your fans share on their social media a short clip from your video. With all this watch time will go toward your video, will go to your channel and increase revenue of your channel of that specific video. This is the difference. While allow people to sample this content, it's different. People can take portion from your video, incorporate in their video and monetize as their own video, and revenue from that video will go to their channel, not to your channel. And this is the big difference. So they will make money from your video. You cannot deselect for entire channel, allow people to sample this content. You have to go video by video. Every video you have to manually deselect this feature from your videos. Yes, it's ridiculous. Take your best videos where you have many viewers, many views, choose those videos and manually deselect this feature. I hope you found useful information here and you understand the difference between allow people to clip my content and allow people to sample this content. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this.